How to stream screen on YouTube. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can stream screen on YouTube. For this, you want to open up any web browser and head over to youtube.com. Make sure to sign into your account. Now, you want to click on the create option at the top of your screen. From here, click on the option of go live. You will now be able to go live from here. Now, if you do not have access to streaming, you want to click on the request option over here. Once requested, it may take up to 24 hours to get the access. You also have to verify your phone number in order to access this feature. So go ahead and do that if you have not done that already. Now you will have two options. The first one is built-in webcam and the second one is streaming software. For streaming software, you actually have to download another software. So the one that you can use is OBS, which is completely free and safe. So go ahead and click on this option. Now go ahead and select your operating system from here. After this, the downloading will begin. Once the downloading has been completed, you can install it like any other application. After it has been installed, you want to set up OBS for streaming. You can head over to settings over here, then click on the stream option from here. Now in the service section, you want to select YouTube from here. Then you will have to connect your YouTube account. So for that, click on the connect account option. You can also use your stream key. You will find it in your YouTube account. So you can simply enter your stream key over here. Now, once you have connected your YouTube account, click on the apply option, then click on OK. Now, there are other settings as well, such as output. You want to put the output mode in simple. You can also change the video bitrates from here. Now, click on audio, and from here, you can manage the audio settings. Click on the video option over here, and you can change the resolution to manage the quality of the stream. After you've managed all of these settings, you can click on the start streaming option and you will be able to stream screen on YouTube. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.